Myself, Rakesh Maisuria from NG Polytechnic, lecturer in Electrical Engineering Department. My topic is construction of cable from the subject transmission and distribution of electrical power. General construction of cable. In construction of cable, there are 6 different layers: core, insulation, metallic sheath, bedding, armoring, and serving. First one is core. The core is nothing but the conductor. Its main function is to carry the current. The core consists of one or more than one conductors. The cable with the single conductor is known as the single core cable. Similarly, the cable with the 3 conductor is known as the 3 core cable. The conductors are made from the copper or aluminium. Generally, the stranded conductors are used, which increases the flexibility of the cable. Second layer is the insulation. Each core is covered by the insulating layer of proper thickness. The thickness of the insulating layer depends on the operating voltage. The material used for the insulation are paper, varnish cambric, PVC, etc. Third layer is the metallic sheath. Metallic sheath is provided over the insulating material. Its main function is to protect the insulating material from the moisture, gases, and any other harmful liquids in the soil. They are generally made from lead or lead alloy, or you can say aluminium. Next layer is the bedding. The bedding is provided over the metallic sheet. Its main function is to protect the metallic sheet from the corrosion and mechanical injury due to the armoring. It consists of paper tape compound with a fibrous material like jute or hessian tape. And another layer is the armoring. Armoring is provided over the bedding. Its main function is to protect the cable from the mechanical and injury during its laying and handling process. It consists of 1 or 2 layers of galvanized steel wires or 2 layers of steel tape. And last layer is the serving. The serving is provided over the armoring. Its main function is to protect the armoring from the atmospheric condition. It consists of fibrous material like jute cloth. Now, how to remember this general construction of the cable? Because construction of cable is the most important theory from the GTU exam point of view. Now I am going to give you the trick for how to remember each layer of cable construction. Because if you interchange or any one layer of the cable, then your theory will be wrong. So it is important to remember each layer of the cable step by step. So the trick to remember the construction of cable is, everyone heard the Bollywood most favorite movie Simbas. In Simba's movie, spelling is Simba. So you have to change the spelling, that is Simbas. Instead of S, you put C in the spelling of Simba, and that S, put that S at the end of the spelling Simbas. So we can say Simbas. So spelling of the Simbas is Simba is Simbas instead of Bollywood Simba instead of Simba. So C in Simbas, C stand for core, I stand for insulation, M stands for metallic sheath, B stands for bedding, and A armoring, and last one is S serving. So you can say that is Simbas instead of Simba. So you will never made mistake in construction of cable if you remember according to district. So you have to remember only Simbas. So hope, thank you very much.